If you're getting the "your device is missing important security and quality fixes" error on your Windows PC, you came across the right place. Don't worry, because we got you covered. To fix this, first you need to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Search for Troubleshoot Settings in the Start menu, open it, select Windows Update, and run the troubleshooter. Next, try uninstalling recently installed updates. Search for update history, open it, find the recently installed update, and uninstall it. If the issue persists, reset the Windows Update services. Search for command prompt, run as an administrator, and paste the commands provided in the description to stop, rename, and start the update services. Once done typing in, check if the problem is solved, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.